What's up, people? So today we're going to be checking out a smartwatch that is a little bit different than your average smartwatch. Today we're checking out the YHE blood pressure monitor smartwatch. So this watch can actually detect your blood pressure right inside the watch, along with all of the other health trackers and sensors that you are used to on your smartwatch. So we're going to check out the watch, we're going to show you what comes in the box, and then we're going to check this thing out. So let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see here, this is the watch here. Now, first thing I noticed, it has a good weight to it. This is all metal right here. It's definitely a premium construction. You can see you have your sensors there on the bottom. Now these bands, by this being a blood pressure monitor watch, the band is integrated into the watch. So if you can see, this side here actually inflates. If you ever got your blood pressure checked at the doctor's office and they put the thing on your arm and it inflates, that's what this watch does. So this thing right here actually inflates to put the tension on your wrist to get an accurate reading. So I'm very curious to see how that is. And then the other side is also looks to be fixed. Yep, because it's screwed in there. So you cannot change the band on either side of this watch. So what you have here is what you're going to have. You have like a metal construction around the side, and that's where you're probably getting that added weight. That's something that you automatically notice when you pick up the watch in comparison to like an Apple Watch. This is feels a lot heavier. You have your two buttons on the side. You preview what the screen looks like, and that's it for the watch itself. It also comes with the dock that you use to charge it, and that's unfortunately USB, micro USB, not USB-C, but that's what comes in the box. This is the box here. Different design. They're going more so with the elongated face versus, you know, the type of face that you would have on an Apple Watch, which is more of the square design. And then, you know, with the Samsung watches, they're going with the circle design. So a little bit different. Just give you an idea of the screen, and put this on full brightness so maybe you can see it better. I'm doing the blood pressure monitoring right now. I feel it getting tight around my wrist. I can feel that air going into that watch band, putting that extra tension on my wrist. Still getting tighter. All right, so now it's giving me my reading, which is 152/78. I don't know if that's good or bad. Let me write that down so I can check, see if I'm dying or not. So that's a really cool technology. I want to hear y'all when this eventually goes over to the Apple Watch talking about how Apple is so innovative. We got it right here already. And this is the first watch that I've seen that can have this functionality, so that's pretty cool. So let's just go through some of the other things that this watch can do. You got your weather. It's not set to my correct location, but you got sleep tracking, calorie tracking, you got your alarm, you got your preset workouts, of course you got your heart rate monitor, and then you got your blood oxygen sensors, 98%, so I guess that's good. So let's go ahead and check out and see what the actual app for the watch look like. So as you can see, you can have a couple different watch faces you can choose from. It looks like there's only these three actually. So you got these three different watch faces you can choose from. Okay, so the app we're going to be downloading is called the BP Doctor Plus. Go ahead and download that. Now this app is available on iOS as well as Android. Right now I'm going to be downloading on the Android phone, but it is available for iOS as well. This watch is more on the expensive side, retailing at $299. Now as far as your basic smartwatch functionality, I would say it's pretty limited. So like you can get notifications on the watch, of course, but there's no way to actually reply to your notifications. There's no speaker, there's no microphone, so you can't take calls on it. There's no way to really download additional apps on it, and it's not waterproof. But as far as the health benefits and the health tracking, if you're somebody that needs to stay on top of their blood pressure or their heart rates and all of that, has your oxygen readings, has pretty much all of the smart health features that you would find in any watch. And a lot of the times with the blood pressure monitor, something that you probably won't find in any other watch. So depends on what your use case for it, if this watch is going to be for you or not. If you're a person that's solely focused on health tracking, I think this would probably be a good option for you, because this has trackers on this watch that most other watches are not going to have. So if you want to know anything more about this watch, I'll have the link for this down in the description if you want to check it out. Also, if you have any other questions, just drop them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to them. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I got a lot of new videos coming out. You know, Christmas is coming up. You're gonna need some gift ideas. Got a lot of exciting new products coming out for y'all to check out. So definitely hit that like and that subscribe button. So until the next time, peace out.